Would you want to upgrade from your HDB to a private property to increase your social status and lifestyle?
Do you want to own a property that will give you 6 figures in profit in as little as 1 year?
Or are you looking to provide a safe living environment for your children with all the high-end facilities?
And do you want to do all of the above while still having a 3 to 5 years worth of reserve funds, even if your combined household income is only $6,000 a month?
When you watch this video to the end, you are going to discover exactly how we can help you to upgrade to a condo, still have a 3 to 5 years reserve funds in your account, even if your household income is only $6,000 a month.
Hey, my name is Marc, and let me share with you a quick story about a mistake that my parents made 7 years ago. 7 years ago, an agent came knocking on our door and asked if my parents wanted to upgrade their HDB to a condo. At that time, my parents were living in their comfort zone, and they were taught to believe that as long as they fully pay off their HDB, they can have a comfortable retirement life. So they decided not to upgrade and rejected the agent's advice. And that simple decision caused my parents to lose $500,000. 7 years ago, my parents' HDB was valued at $500,000. But now, after 7 years, the market price dropped to only $400,000, whereas the condo that the property agent suggested to my parents had increased in price by $400,000 7 years ago. So had my parents choose to upgrade to the condo, they would have made $400,000 profit instead of losing $100,000 over when their HDB value dropped now. The problem was my parents didn't know, or rather they didn't believe that their HDB price was going to drop, or that a private property would increase in value much faster. For years, they were taught to believe as long as they fully pay off their HDB, they can have a comfortable retirement life. But that plan, which was passed down by the previous generation, is not true anymore.
Why? Well, because the purpose of an HDB is to provide affordable housing to Singaporeans, to ensure that every Singaporean has a place called home. Now, if that is the purpose of an HDB, do you think HDB prices will increase a lot? No, because it won't be affordable anymore. But private property prices are different. The purpose is not like HDB, and that is why the prices will follow the market supply and demand. If supply is high and demand is low, the price will drop, and vice versa. If supply is low and demand is high, then the price will increase.
Once I realized the mistake that my parents made that cost them $500,000, I knew I had to do something different. That's when I started to learn how to upgrade to a condo and still have 3 to 5 years worth of reserve funds in the process, even with an average income of only $6,000 a month. And I used what I discovered to be able to create a solid retire comfortably, upgrade my social status, and enjoy a better lifestyle. I didn't realize it when I started that not only does it simplify the process to upgrade to a condo, but it also helps you to upgrade and still have 3 to 5 years reserve funds, 6-figure profit in as little as 1 year, and provide a safe and better living environment for your family and children.
And that is why MarcAngel created a 5-step process to help people to upgrade private property without worry about their financial stress, even when their income is just $6,000 a month.
7 years and family $500,000 of opportunity cost to create, but it was totally worth it. It makes upgrading to a private property without stress so much easier. In fact, here's just a sample of what when we work together. A personal game plan customized just for you, based on your specific situation and goals that fits to your style, your risk appetite and your position.
A detailed financial assessment so we can create your safety net to avoid committing to a stretch property.
A thorough market analysis to recommend you the best project available.
A zoomed-in unit selection so you can maximize your profit potential.
A well-thought-through exit plan to help you reduce your risk exposure and increase your return on investment.
After helping so many families in Singapore to successfully upgrade to private property without financial stress, even when their combined income is just $6,000 a month, we're confident that we could help you to do the same too, just to increase your social status and give your family a better lifestyle.
But before you get started, let us ask you a question. Would you like to get access to my 5-step process and upgrade to a private property?
Or would you want us to take you hand by hand and walk you through a step-by-step until you reach your goal?
If your answer is yes, then I would like to offer you a free one-to-one consultation session where I will show you all the benefits to my 5-step process and how can you implement it with ease to upgrade to a private property of your dream.
If all this did was show you how you can give a better lifestyle to your family and upgrade your social status even when your income remains the same, would it be worth it?
If all this did was help you avoid feeling losing out to your friends, would it be worth it?
Of course it would. Want some even better news? We are not going to charge you anything for our 5-step system.
In other words, you can get access to our system and get a one-to-one consultation with us for free.
But you must act now because firstly, the longer you stay in your HDB, the more money you might lose due to accrued interest.
And if you don't know what accrued interest is, then we really need to talk because it will take more than a minute of the video to explain fully this concept to you.
Secondly, interest rate is all-time low now. So now is the best chance for you to invest and save thousands of dollars from this low interest rate.
Lastly, the number of units available in the market has been reducing every month. That means supply is going down, so property price will likely to go up, and it means you will buy at a higher price if you keep on waiting on the sideline.
Just imagine what life will be when you know how to upgrade to a condo and still have a 3 to 5 years of reserve funds, even when your combined household income is just $6,000.
So all you need to do is click the button below and apply for our free one-to-one consultation session now.
Because this is a one-to-one service, we could only take up to 5 people at a point of time. Therefore, this is strictly by application only.
Inside, you will be taken to a short form. Just fill up the application form, and if you are qualified, I will personally work with you one-on-one to help you upgrade your property fast and achieve your goal using our 5-step system.
Let's be blunt, if you pass on this offer, will you succeed with upgrading to a private property without stress while having an average income? Probably not.
So you will just keep on struggling and never figure out how to do so. Most of what you need is instruction and encouragement from someone who has successfully been there and done that, who have helped multiple families successfully upgrade to a private property.
So get this one-to-one consultation now and get to live the life you truly deserve.
So as a reminder, here's what you're going to get with our 5-step system and a one-to-one consultation. A personalized game plan customized just for you based on your specific situation and goals so that it will fit to your style, your risk appetite and your position.
A detailed financial assessment so we can create a safety net to avoid committing to a stretched property.
A thorough market analysis to recommend you the best project available.
A zoom-in unit selection so you can maximize your profit potential.
A well-thought-through exit plan to help you reduce your risk exposure and increase your return on investment. Never before have you had such unique opportunity to have us take you by the hand and help you upgrade to a condo while still having 3 to 5 years worth of reserve funds in your account, even if your combined household income is only $6,000 a month.
Act now so you can upgrade your social status and give a safe and better lifestyle to your family while making a 6-figure profit in the process like many other people have done so.
Remember, we can only take on 5 people at any given time. So quickly click on the button below to apply for your slot and I will see you on the other side soon. Thank you.